Folks, we're at the old construction site here where I found the seated dime last time. I just got a nickel. It's in John's hand. I'm going to find out what it is. It's got to be a buffalo nickel, I imagine. Hopefully better. Yeah, it's a buffalo nickel. See the face?
Oh yeah. We have a buffalo nickel.
First old coin to come out here today. Hopefully there's some silver or something out here. On to the next. There's a lot of broken glass here. Some old, try and get that one on film there. Buffalo, New York. Slug plate soda. Probably early 1900s. They definitely tapped in some old layers when they dug this up. John just got a wheat right on the surface, a really green one too.
Let's see what it is. I have to wash it off.
Plenty of water to wash it off around here. We got like 2 inches of rain in 3 days.
Looks like a 1919.
Ooh.
Yep. 1919.
Sweet.
On to the next.
On to the next. Now I just got a green wheat right in the see the date on this one. It's another old one, you could tell.
I'm gonna have to wash it.
Oh wait, I got it a little bit. Yeah, I'm gonna have to wash this one off. I'll get back with you when I find out. It was a 1939, folks. Nice green wheat. On to the next.
I'm like, Rob's got to get something old here.
Rob's on the board.
1935 Buffnick.
That's cool.
Nice. Nice and sharp.
Yeah, definitely. It's going.
Nice.
On to the next.
Everybody, I think I got something decent down here. In the hole. Let's see. Right there. You want to take the camera? Thanks. Let's pull this.
Let me find you. Hold on. I gotta find you. Okay, go ahead.
Pull this out.
Oh, it's old. We got copper. I think we got copper, boys.
Man. I gotta be careful with this one. I have no idea what it is.
Let's pause it, put some water in it. No, I didn't.
Let's wash this off.
Right now we're washing the coin off and see what it is. Oh yeah, it's
1891.
Damn.
We got a largie. Canadian.
Canadian, yeah.
Yep. Nice going, Ron.
Thanks.
There's still stuff here. We'll get back to you.
As I'm hunting in front of this building here that's not too old. I think it's from 60s or 70s maybe. But I think I got a musket ball down here. Running up zinc on my machine. Sweet. I don't know what that was doing down here, but it's old. You can see when you tap into that soil, it's nice and old and gray. See, that's some old soil down there. Right underneath the rocks. I think it scooped up all the fill dirt from over the years and exposed the amusement park layer. On to the next. Get it out. Alright, I got either a barber or a seated down here. You can see it. Oh boy. And it is a barber.
Sure?
Yeah.
Sure about that? Oh yeah, let's get a date.
What is it? 1910, I think? Yep, 1910.
Yeah, look, doing that too much. Wow. Nice. I knew there was silver.
Yeah, John kept saying there was silver here. I wanted to believe it, but he was right. Rob just pulled an Indian head penny. Oh yeah, you'll get a date off of that. Beautiful. Nice and green.
Well, you're.
I don't even know. It's just. I'll give you some time to clean that off. Wow. So let's see. That's Canadian large cent, Indian head penny, Barber dime, a couple of buffaloes,
Wheats.
and some wheats.
Place is still giving.
Oh yeah.
That's awesome, man.
That's your first one?
Yeah.
Trying to get a date off of here. How deep was it?
4 inches it said. Think about that. Probably 3.5.
Cool. Just got a pull tab signal about 4 inches down. I just got a little toy badge. Looks like it says something about a ranger or something. I'll have to get back with you on that one. Old antique toy badge. John just got an Indian head penny.
All day spot.
Oh yeah.
My first good signal of the day is an Indian. I don't know the date on it yet. As you can see. We will clean it up and get a date for you. Looks to me like it's going to be a
They're nice and green coming out of here.
1904 or 1905.
1905 it looks like.
Yep, 1905 Indian. They'll
Awesome.
keep coming.
Congratulations.
All right.
Just to show everybody what the old
Another wheat.
you got a coin?
Yeah, another wheat.
You got another wheat penny. Cool. Can't believe this place is still giving up coins. Just wanted to show everybody what type of soil they're tapping into. That's a blob top beer bottle right here. Let me see the neck of it. Unbelievable. Alright folks, let me get you caught up a little bit. I just made a couple awesome finds here by this water depression here. John found, how many wheats did you get around here?
I got about 6.
6 wheats, some of them right on the surface. And I just got a silver here. It's a Merc dime. And an Indian head penny. The Indian head penny was right on the surface. It's just amazing what construction, what it does. Okay folks, a quick update on the coins here. That is a 1938 Merc. And that is a 1905 Indian head penny. We all got a 1905 Indian head penny today, all 3 of us. That's remarkable. On the next. John's on the board with silver. A flattened silver ring.
Keeps on giving.
This place just keeps on giving. Every time we're just about ready to leave, one of us finds something
It's
nice.
a sign. It's
Awesome.
a sign for us to stay.
This place is just infested with nails from this end over here all the way, you know, those trees over there. It's just infested with nails. They're all over the ground, but we're still managing to pull the goods out of here. Our Garrett metal detectors are good machines. Well folks, I'm gonna call it a day. Everybody took home at least, you know, a couple of nice things. It was just an overall a great hunt. This construction site has been very good to us. There were a lot of spots that were infested with iron real bad, but we worked through it and we all came up with some good stuff. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll show you the finds when I get back. Hey everybody, I'm back to show you my finds today. We'll start with the clad. Just a couple of clad coins there, a 1995 quarter and like a 1989 dime. 3 memorial pennies. This one was pretty green here. I thought there was going to be an early wheat when I found it, but I was surprised to see it was a memorial, but oh well. Not too many modern coins coming out of there, just 5 I got. I'll show you the relics real quick before I get to the old coins. There's an old Briggs and Stratton key. It's broken up. And up here, I don't know what that is, but on the back it says Made in Japan. And then these two things over here, it looks like an old lead seal or something. Not sure. And then this, I have no idea. And then that I thought was a musket ball when I first found it, but now I'm not so sure. It's got some weight to it. And then back to the old... Oh, one more relic. This I thought was really neat. It says Bond Bread, and then it says Lone Ranger Safety Club. I thought that was really neat when I found that. If anybody has any information on this, please let me know. It's in pretty decent shape for being in a construction site and being that thin. And then here's the old pennies. This right here is an old Canadian cent. And it's from 1920. And then that's a 1956 wheat penny, a 1944 wheat penny, a 1939 wheat penny, and a 1919 wheat penny. And then here is the Indian head penny I got today. It's a 1905. We all got a 1905 wheat penny today. Let me show you the back real quick. It's in pretty decent shape, a little crusty, but not too bad. Yeah, every single one of us got a 1905 wheat or Indian head penny today. I thought that was really cool. And then here's that Canadian large cent I got. It's really, really crusty. I don't know how I'm going to clean that. If anybody has any ideas, please leave a comment below. I wish I can get that clearer and cleaner. It's in 1891. There's the back. 1 cent. So that was a really cool find. And then these are 2 dateless buffalo nickels. I tried to get a date off of this one. I just rubbed my thumb a little bit towards the lower left part to try and get a date, but some of the black came off and it got harder to read. There's the backs. They both have no mint marks. Okay. And then here are the silvers. I got 2 silvers. A 1910 Barber dime, my second Barber dime of the year. No mint mark. And a nice sharp 1938 Mercury dime. Also no mint mark. So cool. We all came away with something nice. At least a couple of nice finds. So it was a good group hunt. I wish they all were like this. It was really fun. I love working those construction sites. Thanks for watching the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Good luck on your future hunts, and I'll see you out there next time. Happy hunting, everybody.